Hello students, I am Prashant Nikam. In this video, we are going to start new topic, that is decimals. You have already studied in the previous class what are decimals, types of decimals, that is like and unlike decimals, comparison of decimals, conversion of fractions to decimals, conversion of decimals to fractions, then addition of decimals and subtraction of decimals. These topics are already covered in the previous class. Now in this year we have to learn how to multiply the decimals and how to divide the decimals. So before starting multiplication and division of decimal, let's complete the exercise number 3.1, which is based on basic concepts that you have already studied in the 6th standard. Now see the first question. The first question is write each of the following as decimals. Means here fractions are given and we have to convert that fraction into decimal. As you know that conversion of decimal fraction into decimal number is very easy. Decimal fraction means what? If the denominator is 10, 100, 1000 like that, then such decimals, such fractions are called as decimal fraction, and it's very easy to convert decimal fraction into decimal. Here it is 8 upon 100. Since there are two 0 in front of 1, we can easily convert this 8 upon 100 as a, first we can write it as a 8, and since there are two zeros, we have to give decimal point after two places from the right side, that is 1, 2. Here will be the decimal point, and the conversion of 8 upon 100 will be 0.08. Then next question is 20 plus 9 upon 10 plus 4 upon 100. So 20 we can write as it is, 9 upon 10 means 0.9 and 4 upon 100 means 0.04. And if we add 20 plus 0.9 plus 0.04, we will get 20.94. Now let's see the next question number 2. In this question, convert each of the following into fractions in the lowest form. Means the decimal numbers are given. First we have to convert these decimal numbers into fractions and then we have to convert them into lowest form. Means there should not be any common factor between numerator and denominator. Let's see here. The decimal is 0.04. So 0.04, since there are two decimal places, first we can write the number by ignoring the zeros, and since there are two decimal places, we had to give two zeros in front of 1. Now we had to convert this fraction into lowest form. So we can convert easily like this: 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, remainder is 2, it will become 20, and 4 fives are 20. So the simplest form of this fraction will be 1 upon 25. Next number is 2.34. Since there are two decimal places, we have to write the number by ignoring the decimal in numerator, and there are two decimal places, that's why we have to give two zeros in front of 1. Now we want to convert this fraction into lowest form, so we have to remove the common factor. The common factor is 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, remainder is 1, 2 sevens are 14, 2 fives are 10, 0 as it is. Means its lowest form is 117 upon 50. Next question is express the following fractions as decimal fraction. Express the following fractions as decimals. Means we have to convert this fraction into decimal number. Again it is a decimal fractions, since there is a 10 at the denominator, so it's very easy. We can easily convert this 23 upon 10 into decimal number like this, 2.3. Since there is a 1 0, we have to give decimal point after one digit from the right hand side. Or if suppose there is a another number, instead of 10, 100, if there is a another number like 2, 5, 7 or 11 or 23, any another number, then how we can convert this? See here, numerator, there is a numerator, in between there is a bar, and then denominator, means we have to divide this numerator by denominator. See here, we have to divide 23 by 10. So 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, remainder will be the 3, then we can give here decimal point and then we can carry here 0. 10 3 is a 30. So finally this is the complete process. And see here what is the quotient. The quotient is 2.3. That's why the conversion of this 23 upon 10 into decimal is 2.3. Now let's see one more question. The next question is we have to convert this mixed fraction into decimal number. So before converting it, let's convert this mixed fraction into improper form. 25 multiplied by 8, which is 200, and 200 plus 1 is 201 upon 8. Now this is not a decimal fraction. So if you want to convert this fraction into decimal number, we have to divide 201 by 8. So let's divide. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. 20 minus 16 is 4. Let's carry the 1 here. Then 8 5s are 40. Remainder is 1. Now we cannot divide this 1 by 8, so give decimal point and take the 0 here. 8 ones are 8. Remainder is 2. 8 twos are 16. Now remainder is 4 and 8 5s are 40. Now this is the complete division process. We got the 0 as a remainder. So the conversion of this fraction into decimal number is like this: 25.125. Thank you, students.